Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to if you're new. On today's video I'm going to show you how I achieved this hairstyle. So stay tuned. Alright, let's get into it. So this is how I will start, and then I will part, and I will show you how I do it. This is the gel I'm going to use, soft and free. And then after I've laid my edges and I've laid my hair like that with 3 rubber bands, just go in with a It's been 30 minutes later and I just want to take this off, and this is the extension I'm going to use, but I'm going to put it off camera and then I'll come and I'll show you the final look. Alright, this is the final look. I do hope you enjoyed watching this video till the end, and feel free to try this hairstyle and let me know how it works out for you. But Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on my next one. Bye.